Hi, this is MAJ Cognition once again with another video about my garden, but this time I'm going to talk about one plant in particular. This beautiful foliage plant you see here, it's called Caladium. It's one of the most beautiful plant which almost, if you're a gardener, then I'm sure that you love this plant as a beautiful foliage plant, because it enhances aesthetics of your garden because of the variety of color it has. And this is one of them. This is just one of the kind of Caladium, and look at it. Look at the beautiful pattern and design and colors on its leaf. See? And look at those newly popped out leaves, how beautiful they look. Look at it. It has a light pink color with some green. See the light green, light pink when they are new, and then look at that newly popped out leaf. So this is basically a plant which grows from a bulb. If you know one of the food which we eat called taro. This is not a taro. I'm not saying that this is taro, okay? And I'm not saying that you can eat it. What I'm saying is it's similar to that plant. So just like a taro root, all right, and the taro leaves, this grows in a very similar way, all right, but this is poisonous. Also, the taro leaves are poisonous, okay, but they're not poisonous anymore if we cook them. But I'm not sure about this one. This is not a plant which is to be cooked or any of that. I'm just saying that this is similar to that. If you have experience of growing taro, then I'm sure that you know what I'm talking about. It grows in a very similar way. You just put when you want to grow these plants, you can just order its bulbs, all right, and those bulbs are similar to taro bulbs, taro roots, and from that bulb different leaves pop out, all right, and that's how it grows. So the older the leaf gets, the heavier it gets, all right, and the bigger it gets, and it starts to fall, all right, and when they fall, they're not so beautiful, and they also fall on other plants if you have other plants around it, okay. So to have a better growth on any plant, including this one, make sure that you prune it off. If you get leaves too big and if they're falling off, don't keep them, just cut them off the plant, so that it gets the new leaves which are growing, which are just popping out of the root, gets energy. Because what's going to happen is, if you don't prune off the older leaves, all right, those older leaves are going to take energy, all right. So the distribution of energy will cause the new leaves not to grow as fast as they can when they get all the energy to grow, instead of those energy going to the older leaves to sustain, right. So we don't need those older leaves anymore, so we prune them off and we get a better plant. And because of pruning, it encourages more leaves to pop out. And as you know, more leaves the better plant, because look at the leaves, they're so beautiful. They are developed for aesthetic reasons, for beauty. So the more leaves you have, the more beautiful the plant you have, and it gives a very beautiful aesthetic value to your garden. So if you have Caladium, your garden has one of the most beautiful plant, and this is just one of the examples of Caladium plant. and they are naturally, these plants in the wild are green. Okay, in the wild a lot of plants are only green, or some it has some shades of green. All right, but we humans, we breed them to our benefit, we develop them to our benefit, and we try and preserve exceptional colors, and we make more of it. And that's how we manage to develop so many beautiful foliage plants, especially in caladiums. So if you google caladium and if you go in images, you'll find so many different types of caladium, and that's just mind-boggling. If you see the garden of caladium plant, it will blow your mind. You see so many beautiful caladium plants that you'll just feel like staying there forever in that caladium garden. And make sure that if you have children, if you have toddlers, keep them away from this plant. If they chew it, it's not good because they're poisonous. Okay, and if you have pets, like especially rabbits or cats or dogs, keep them away. If they are too chewy, they may chew on them, and it will hurt them, it will harm them, and it may kill your pets too. So keep pets and babies away. So yeah, this is all about caladium. I have I'm sh- I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more, because I have a garden with so many different plants to talk about, and I'll give you guys as much information as possible about each plant I have, and I'll keep on adding more if I find them. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and don't forget to like my video and leave comments if you have something to say or something to add, or correct me if I'm wrong in whatever I spoke. Thank you very much for watching.